I also mentioned that after launch, you have to create a roadmap based on the feedbacks that you've gotten and based on features that you want to build. How exactly, or what exactly is a roadmap? How exactly do you build one, or how exactly do you create one? A roadmap is basically a timeline of the features that you want to build. It's just saying, oh, I'm going to build this particular feature from January to February, while this will be from February to March, or while I'm building this product from March to April, I'm also going to be working on this product. So it's just you outlining the timeline and how you plan to continue building your product or what features you have to build over time. Take a look at this image, for example. It says that, oh, they're going to build this product from this time, from March to April, or from January to February. So I'm going to share this image with you in the notes so that you can also take a look at it. So the roadmap basically is highlighting, or you can use visual ways, like you can use visual representations to highlight, or what time you're going to be, or what part of the month, or what part of this year, or maybe in 2023 or in 2024, I'm going to be building this particular part of my product. That's what the roadmap basically outlines, the timelines that you're going to be using in building your features.